Stay prepared when the lights go out with a reliable backup power source. In this guide, we'll cover the best generators for power outages, ensuring your home stays lit, appliances keep running, and your family remains safe during emergencies. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Anker SOLIX C1000. The Anker SOLIX C1000 portable power station is a remarkable unit that stands out in the world of home backup and portable energy solutions. One of its most impressive features is the ultra-fast recharging capability, allowing the power station to reach 80% capacity in just 43 minutes, with a full charge taking under an hour when connected via AC input and the Anker app. This makes it an excellent choice for power outages and spontaneous outdoor adventures. Its internal LiFePO4 battery offers exceptional longevity, rated for over 3,000 cycles, giving users reliable performance for a decade of regular use. This battery durability sets it apart from many competitors in its class. Another standout feature is its surge pad technology, which enables a staggering 2400 W output through 11 versatile ports. This level of power and compatibility makes it suitable for nearly all household appliances and ideal for RV and camping trips. For those looking to harness renewable energy, the Anker SOLIX C1000 supports up to 600 W of fast solar recharging, achieving a full charge in approximately 1.8 hours. The integration with the Anker app adds a smart layer, offering real-time power statistics and allowing users to customize charging settings to their preference. Its compact, adventure-ready design is 15% smaller than typical 1 kWh units, making it easier to store in tight spaces or transport in vehicles. The build quality is solid, with intuitive controls and a sturdy handle, further emphasizing its portability. Whether you're preparing for unexpected home power interruptions, weekend camping excursions, or need a reliable power source for your RV, the Anker SOLIX C1000 delivers a versatile, high-performance solution. Number 2. Westinghouse 12500. The Westinghouse 12500 dual-fuel portable generator is a powerful and practical solution for those who require dependable backup power during outages or when traveling with an RV. Offering 9,500 running watts and 12,500 peak watts on gasoline and 8,500 running watts with 11,200 peak watts on propane, it delivers robust and flexible energy output. One of its user-friendly highlights is the remote start feature, complete with a key fob along with electric and recoil start options, providing convenience in critical moments. With a substantial 6.6-gallon fuel tank, this generator can run up to 12 hours at 50% load, making it a reliable choice for prolonged power needs. The VFD digital display keeps you informed with real-time data on voltage, frequency, and lifetime hours. Safety is also a priority, with the inclusion of rubber covers on all outlets and multiple receptacle options, including 2 GFCI 120V 5-20R standard household outlets, 1 transfer switch-ready 120V L14-30R, and an RV-ready 120 to 240V 14-50R. The 457cc Westinghouse 4-stroke OHV engine is housed within a durable frame, featuring a long-lasting cast-iron sleeve and automatic low-oil shutdown to protect the engine. The inclusion of a plug-and-play kit complete with remote start key fob, a 12-volt battery charger, oil funnel, toolkit, and manual makes setup straightforward with minimal assembly. For anyone needing reliable, high-capacity dual-fuel power for home backup or mobile use, the Westinghouse 12500 is an outstanding choice. Number 3. MARBERO 120W. Compact, lightweight, and versatile, the MARBERO 120W portable power station is designed for users who need a convenient, dependable power source for smaller devices and light appliances. Its efficient charging ability stands out, going from 0 to 80% in just 2 hours using the included adapter, and can simultaneously charge other devices, functioning similarly to a charging strip. The option for solar recharging via MARBERO's dedicated 30W or 60W panels makes it eco-friendly and perfect for outdoor enthusiasts. Weighing less than 3.2 pounds and measuring about the size of a DSLR camera, its portability is a significant advantage. The ergonomic handle and sturdy plastic casing make it suitable for road trips, camping, backyard activities, or even home and office use. The MARBERO 120W offers 8 output ports, including USB, USB-C PD, car DC charger, and 2 AC outlets, providing broad compatibility for smartphones, tablets, laptops, and small appliances. A built-in BMS system ensures device safety and stability, while its flashlight function adds valuable utility. With 3 brightness levels and an SOS emergency mode, it can provide up to 68 hours of illumination, making it a reliable tool during car breakdowns or power outages.
Number 4. Bluetti AC180. The Bluetti AC180 portable power station is a robust and highly capable unit, packing an 1152 Wh LiFePO4 battery known for long lifespan and safety. It features an ultra-fast 1440-watt AC input, fully charging the battery in just 1 hour, making it ideal for emergency preparedness and spontaneous adventures. With an impressive 1800-watt output and 11 output ports, it handles multiple appliances and electronics with ease. And with a tap on the Bluetti app, users can boost the power output up to 2700 watts for even more demanding devices. This power station's solar capability is another highlight. Equipped with an MPPT charge controller, it accepts up to 500 watts of solar input, recharging in about 2.8 to 3.3 hours using clean, renewable energy. Coupled with a user-friendly interface and the Bluetti app, which offers remote monitoring and adjustments, it's a well-rounded power station, suitable for home backup and outdoor adventures. The AC180's combination of high-capacity power, rapid charging, and reliable UPS functionality makes it one of the most dependable units in its category. Number 5. OUPES Mega 5120 Watt-hour. The OUPES Mega 5120 Watt-hour portable power station stands out as a heavyweight contender in the high-capacity backup power market. Designed for users who need serious, long-lasting energy support, whether for home backup, off-grid adventures, or demanding job sites, this model delivers impressive performance with a wealth of practical features. One of its defining characteristics is its scalable power. While many competitors cap their capacity around 3000 watt-hours, the OUPES Mega starts there and allows you to connect an additional B2 extra battery to extend the total capacity to 5120 watt-hours. This makes it an excellent choice for people requiring extended runtimes for large appliances or critical medical equipment like CPAP machines. With a continuous 2000 watt AC output and a 4500 watt peak surge, the Mega 5120 watt-hour handles everything from refrigerators to power tools without breaking a sweat. The power station also offers dual charging modes, a rapid 1400 watt fast charge that reaches 80% in just 50 minutes. Additionally, the OUPES Mega features smart connectivity via Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, allowing users to monitor and control the system remotely through a dedicated app available on both iOS and Android devices. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.